Hello there. In this video I am going to answer the very important question: can you drive the Q4 rear wheel drive in the snow on normal summer tyres? To be honest, I didn't hold out much hope, having owned a couple of BMWs in the past, but traction control seems to kick in really well. Took it down to the local kind of car park, had a little drive about. It's not quick, and it'd be better on winter tyres obviously, but it keeps on moving, and that's the main thing. I know what you're thinking though. This is level ground and it's just moving. As soon as you put a hill on that, that's gone nowhere. I was a bit worried about that too, to be honest. This is a fairly level stretch. It was okay on this, but I wasn't sure what it'd be like on a hill at all. If you have a look at the tyres, they're clearly not winter tyres. No extra sipes. They're very smooth. So this morning, I did have a little run out in it in actual snow to see what it was like. So I'm going to turn this corner here, and there's a hill. The guy in the GLA clearly didn't fancy it. At this point, I thought about following him. Then I thought it'll be fine. And then I realised the little front-wheel drive Suzuki in front of me was stuck. And at this point, I thought it was game over. As you can see, we're just about stationary. But traction control worked fine. Didn't floor or anything, just kept my foot lightly in. And slowly but surely we did start to pull. Clearly this is not deep snow or ice, and it's not a steep hill, but it is a hill, and it's enough of a hill that the little Suzuki couldn't make it. At this point I was committed, so I kept the foot in and just went for it. And again, a bit worried that we're going to come to a halt here, but it kept on moving, found traction from somewhere, and then it pulled away fine. My main observation from this, compared to the 520 diesel we had before, you don't get a lot of wheel spin. The electric motor just seems to put power on and off really gently, and it keeps you moving on without any drama. In terms of performance then, I reckon this is probably better than the 520 diesel was on summer tyres, but not quite as good as it was when it was on winter tyres. Kind of somewhere in between. I've no idea why that would be the case. Probably something to do with the low centre of gravity, all the weight being down low, or something like that. But it is surprising given that the tyres are pretty wide, 235s on the front and 255s on the rear. Right, that's all I've got for you in this video. Enjoy some nice scenery. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.